Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in a car with the cloth side cards. So you may have seen that over the time this gets dirty and you are not even able to clean this because they are so dirty. You may have seen in there it's all grime and it's all dirt from your hands. Even the oil is there, hand oil or whatever you can call it. On the other side it's actually the same, and even on the back doors it's the same. So today we will try to clean this. If not, we'll replace this. So the first thing is that we have to take this entire panel off from all the four doors and then we'll move forward. So to remove the door cards, the simple way is you have to find all the bolts in the card. If you can see that there is a bolt in there, one, and then there are some bolts hidden under this. This is mainly just clips, these buttons and these armrests. So you removed it, just try to snap it, and you will be able to see some bolts under this. In this car, Mitsubishi, we have a bolt under here. This is a cover. We will remove the cover and then we'll find one bolt over there. So let's start the process of removing the bolts and we'll move from there. So as you all have seen that I have got them out of the car. So now we'll just quickly clean this with a brush and a cloth, and then we'll start ripping it off. We already know that this is the part we need to remove, and there are all these screws which we will undo, and I think it should come out. So now as you guys can see, we have removed cloth from all of the door cards. So now we'll take it for a quick wash, then we'll cut the sizes for this. So before going for a wash, let me show you the cloth I have bought for this. So all our products now are washed. These all trims are now washed. So now I have here interior conditioner for car leather and plastic. So I'm going to recondition all the door cards and all of this plastic trim, and then we will work on our main thing, which is this, which we just cut with the size of our original cloth. So let's begin. We'll move to the final part, which is the application. So we'll find which of the cutout piece we have applies here. So we'll apply it here, check it out, and if it's good to go, then we will cut it to the size. So this is the first one we have. Okay, so this is the right piece. So we'll remove the old one and we will apply the new one here. A little bit dirty with the dust of this one. That's fine. So it's a little bit bigger from here. We have to cut this out, and then we'll start again. here it was out of size as well, so just cut it out here. As you guys can see, I'm not the professional in cutting, so but still I'm gonna give it a shot just to see how it goes. Let's try it again. So now our front side and our bottom and top is all lined up. We'll move to the back. As you can see over here, we have a little bit more than we require, but this will go under it, and here we have to cut a bit. That's completely fine. So now we can remove its back cover and try to stick it over there. So this is the final look of the door. As you can see, it just needs some time to stick in, otherwise it's all good. We have fixed everything. Even here it looks fine, and here everything is sized up, and we'll do the next 3 more doors, and then I'll show you all the doors together. So guys, this is the final look for you. This is the back right door. I don't know what happened here. And this is the back left door, driver's door, passenger's door. This is the final look. So I'll just go in the car and try to fix them, and then I'll show you guys how it looks in the car. So this is how it looks. I think this matches pretty well with the fabric of the car. This is Alcantara. As you can see, the front door. This is the passenger side door. There are some creases and they will go over time with the sun. It will stick, everything will be done. And this is the back door. It doesn't look good in the camera, but if you see in person, this is a very good color and it matches pretty well with the fabric of the car. We have some covers here, we'll remove these and then this car will look 100 by 100. So I hope you learned something new with this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you, bye.